Hi, so in this video, I will be showing you how to fix friend request not showing on Snapchat. So first is go to your settings application. Then scroll down until you find apps. Now search for Snapchat using the hamburger icon found in the top right corner. Then under usage, click on storage. Then on the lower right corner is the clear cache icon. Tap on it. After this, go to Play Store and search for Snapchat. And see whether there's an update and look for the update button. Then tap on the update button for the application to start updating. Then open the Snapchat application. Then click on your profile icon, which is located on the top left corner. Then tap on the settings button, which is located on the top right corner. Scroll down until you find account actions, and under account actions, tap clear cache. To see its effect, close the app and reopen. And that is all. Thank you and have a great day.